Here we have this garage door opener. It's an old, I think it's from 1978. My house was built in 78. Sears garage door opener. So we had two of them. One, the motor completely blew out. So that's the pulley off of it. And this one, the belt broke on it. This is a belt drive. So there's the wall control. That is probably the original one. So the belt broke on this one, so I used the one with the burned out motor to fix this one. Yeah, that thing's vibrating. So yeah, they don't make them like this anymore, I'll tell you that. So there's the wall control. I just haven't hooked up there. So yeah, and there's the door. I liked it. It was a good garage door opener, but one broke, and then this one, the belt broke, so we had to replace them. So yeah, bye.